So that message that you just read a moment ago, Sales Warrior, on $50,000 versus 50 bucks, was truly one of the first lessons that my father taught me, and I in turn have taught that lesson to my children. And it is about having vision. It is about going for it, taking the risk. It is about calling shotgun, as I say in the message, and having the tenacity within yourself to go for the bigger picture, go for the bigger vision. Somebody's going to get it. Why not you? Why not now? Go get them.